paddlers and builders. And Earl would like to say a few words. Thank you.
That's it. Aloha Maui. As you can see, one of the bars that Fafa made, that was his last bar that he made here before he passed. The name of the bar, Tamuta. Tamuta means a man with a lot of skills, Fafa. Fafa was a special man to us and to a lot of his friends. He was a spiritual man, a good friend, and also a teacher. Teach us guys how to bring back the culture of the bar. So I'll let Kalani English say the rest.
Iranauto. First just let me say thank you all for coming today and supporting an event such as this. It's very important that we promote the fact that we are in Polynesia and that this is still Polynesia. So thank you for supporting this event. I had the sad honor of escorting Fafa's body back to Tahiti and making arrangements with the Tahitian government to receive him. And all of us, a delegation of 10 of us, took him back and buried him in his home of Pueo in Tahiti Iti. I have to say that for us, we have to remember that we are one people, and the people of Tahiti and the people of Polynesia are one with us. And for too often, we forget that. And because of the political divides, because we are American and they are French and others are British, we tend to look at it as separate peoples. But that's not so. We are one people. Fafa brought back to Hawaii something very important to us, and that was the art of building canoes in the traditional ways. And I want to point out to you that in Tahiti, Fafa was not really recognized for his skill. And it took him coming to Hawaii and being recognized by us here for him to gain some status and some honor in Tahiti. So we're here today to say thank you for all of your support for Fafa in his many years with us in Hawaii, and to let you see one of his last canoes over here, Tamuta, which he finished shortly before his passing. And to also let you know that Fafa's life was an example of what we have to do to promote culture. So thank you again for being here. Thank you again for supporting our cultures, and most importantly, living culture and being one with the Polynesian people. Mahalo and maururu.
I'd like to say mahalo and thank you to Senator Kalani English and Naomi and Earl Kuailani. Thank you for supporting Fafa. I had the distinct pleasure of meeting him a few years ago with a celebration of canoes, and the man is definitely very skillful in what he does. Yes, he's indeed an educator and was an asset to the event that we had for the celebration of canoes. So we say mahalo to him, mahalo to his culture, and to those that had any association with him. As we recognize him today, we say a great big mahalo to him and his great works. At this time, we're going to move along with our program. We'd like to turn now once again to the Polynesian Praise under the direction of Kumu Tia Tahauri as we do our opening ceremonies this morning.
Pure tātou te atua. Te atua tō mātou me tua here i te rei. Hame tēnei mātou i a oe no tēnei tēmi whawhate te rei o i mātou i tēnei. Roa e tēnei tamaru tēnei tua whare. Te aninei mātou i a oe parahei mai rutupui mātou. Parahei mai tamana i tēnei or oa tā mātou. Aratei mātou me te tēmi te tēmi whaoti he mātou. Parahei mai te mana era waru e rutu i mātou pātoa. Mai te tēmi mātou o mua i te tēmi mātou whaoti. Ha mai te i te mo tumi te atoa. Ha mai te i te mo tia whaatere atoa o te tēmai. Te mo hui rātira atoa. Ia nini mātou i au e pare me rutu i mātou. Haratei mātou i te e tēme. Tauturu mai o i mātou, horo o e te pū e rutu i mātou. Hamana atoa mātou atu mātou me tua o tāne e whawha. Te hame tēne mātou utua whare o te tēmei. Tēnu atu te mo te e tuhene o te amu me i rutu tēne oro ana mātou. Tā mātou rahin arona nā mua roe tō mātou me tua here tia ia hana o e rutu pui mātou. No te mea tēne hiru o tu mau norotoro mo i a oe. No oe mātou i Maohi e, no oe mātou i Hawaii e, no oe mātou e tātai e no tēne whenua. No rea, whahaine mātou sa mei te rai rutu i tu erima. Aro i mātou, arata i mātou te tēme. Te atu mātou tēme whaoti ei. Te hita mātou i pure mua i a oe, taparune i a oe. E te oa mo ato tamaiti here tō mātou whaora i tō mātou whatu e tō me tia. Whaori mai tā mātou pure. Amen.
Tātou pauroa.
Wahere te manu Ini ai te rai Matai tai ia Tona lehe lehe E manu uo uo E manu no te haue Ti ai te pelu Perua maoi Tapa ona te here Hui au loa maira Tona reo iti Mai te ahi moa E watau te your praise. Maroro, Maroro Tomite. Maroro Maui. Right. Maroro, Maroro.
Woo!
Wonderful.
Once again, we'd like to say thank you to the Polynesian Praise under the direction of Tia Tahaudi and for the great job they did for opening exercises this morning. Before we start our program this morning, we've got a few housekeeping rules that we need to pass on to everybody. First of all, those of you with video cameras, we ask that you turn your videos off because we have an in-house video company called Playback Memories, whereby you can get those videos by signing up on the table right out by the front entryway there. So those with videos, please, if somebody taps you on the shoulder, as one of the members of the association, ask you to turn your videos off. We appreciate your cooperation with that. Also, we ask that you spectators do not walk across the center of the floor today where the people are performing. And we just ask, again, you just have consideration for all the performers before we get started. And as we get started, we'd like to introduce our judges that's going to be judging our competitors this morning.
Our judges for today, welcome judges, welcome everyone else to the 2005 Tahiti Fete. Our judges today, we have Etua Tamwari, also Camelia Temanaha. We have Judge Lucy Fonoi Moana, Iona Teri Paea, Maiva Gu, and Lloyd Chandler, who is judging for drumming.
We're going to begin with our Ori Tahiti solo competition, the Tamaroa and Tamari. Ages are 3 to 4 years of age. They'll first come out, all the contestants will come out center floor, and then they'll be taken off the main floor, and then they'll come out and do their solo dance.
They're going to do a little parade first, get a feel of the floor. And we're going to start off by age divisions. The first division is the Tamahine, ages 3 to 4. And we're going to have contestants 3, that is Cheyenne Barreto, and 5, Taylor Tagud. I believe they're ready as we get ready for the drummers to set up for them to compete. And they're both from the Pupuori, from the Halau Ari'i Hau Moana. I want to also remind you guys, there's a lot of food vendors outside. So you guys enjoy, partake, a lot of crafters. You can start your Christmas shopping early. Today actually is the perfect day to start your Christmas shopping, being that Christmas is in like 10 days. Nah. Seems like it anyway.
And we'd also like to say thank you to our some of our sponsors as we get ready to present the young ladies of the Maui Polynesian Tahiti Fete 2005. I want to say thank you to Printers Inc. and also the Marriott Luau that help us make possible this event today, and also Maui Ice Cubes. Just a few of the many people that's here to help make this event a successful one. And to all our vendors that are sitting out front, when you get a break, stop by, check them out. You may find something interesting. Like Val said, you can start doing your Christmas shopping early. Call it whatever you want to.
A lot of pretty things out there.
Some good stuff. I have some already.
And once again, look and have drinks inside here. I know you guys looking at us like, oh, you guys get, but literally we cannot have drinks inside. And the video cameras, they're asking us to have you guys know not to videotape during the Tahiti Fete in here. And also, once again, huge mahalos to playback memories, taking video footage. If you do want to sign up for a videotape, the first 2005 Polynesian Tahiti Fet, Maui Heiva, you can sign up by the entrance area outside for your copy. They're taking pre-orders right now. We just got a note here. There's a white Chevy van with license plate number 44X MCX. Excuse me, 446 MCX. 446 MCX. It's parked at the rear emergency exit and it needs to be removed immediately. So if that's your van, a white Chevy van, license plate number 446 MC6, parked at the rear emergency exit, you need to move it right now. (446) MCX, white Chevy van.
You're blocking the exit over there. If you don't move them, they're gonna move them for you.
And we don't need that to happen.
All right, we're just about ready, I guess. And usually the first contestants, everybody have the jitters, you know, the band, the contestants and everything. So just be patient with everyone so we can help make this happen. Once again, they're going to come and show themselves to you and have them get a lay of what the stage is going to be like when they perform. And then they'll be taken off the floor and they'll come out as individuals to perform for our judges.
Okay, before we get into the actual competition, we have a special exhibition coming up. Two little girls, 3 years old, from Oahu, I believe, from the group Tiari Ura o Tahiti. And we're going to prepare them to come up, and they're going to actually open up before we start the competition. I want to say mahalos to all the volunteers helping out with this event today, well, throughout the whole weekend, actually. I want to say huge mahalos to our bouncers, our security guards, Sons of Hawaii Motorcycle Club. Thank you very, very much. They are here for our safety and to maintain order. So I gotta say thank you to them.
It takes a lot of people to pull off an event such as this. Many of them are in the background. You know nothing about it. They could care less. They're here because they support the event. And so we say mahalo to all our help. You see some of them in event crew T-shirts, some of them with ALOHA shirts and whatever, but they're here to help. They're helping backstage, and the competitors ready. They're helping out front, guiding and directing, you know, from one place to the other. So we just say mahalo to all the help that's here to support the event.
I also want to remind you, on the gym floor, there's a big green outside layering of the gym floor. Please walk on that area. We cannot have shoes on the actual gym floor, so we have to save, what we have left of the War Memorial Gym. Gotta maintain, yeah. And I want to say mahalo to Uncle Poki here from KNUI 900 AM. He's one of our MCs, as well as me. I'm Sister Val from KPOA 93.5. And thank you guys for having us here as well.
Guess I gotta get up, dance hula or something. If any of you see people walking around looking up in the sky like, where's the... That's the people we're waiting for. They're supposed to be here. They're coming. They keep telling, they're coming. They're on their way. So we just have to be patient. When they arrive, give them a nice round of applause and support them for wanting to come and be part of the Heiva I Maui 2004, 5 rather. And they keep telling us, they're here, they're coming.
Oh, later on this afternoon, we're going to have a special appearance from Niokia Tamariki Ariki from Tahiti. They did a performance last night that was outstanding. And you guys have to see it. They're from the Tuamotu Island of Tahiti, from Tahiti. And, oh, they were awesome.
Mike, give us some background music over there.
Yeah, thank you to the soundmen, Mike and Mario.
Mike and Mario. Mahalo, thank you.
So lucky we live Hawaii. Yeah? It's all about Hawaiian time. So now the two performers who are going to be exhibition, they actually entered in to compete from Tiari Ura o Tahiti. They're going to be competing. 3-year-old Aisha Hea and Kaylee Tabangai. So that's going to be cute if you ask me.
So we now have 4 contestants, competitors in that category. Or is that a separate category?
That's the first category.
First category.
Yeah.
Ages
3 to 4. Yeah.
Right.
Also, I just want to let you guys know we're doing a shameless plug right here. We got Borders Books and Music on on the Makai side of the gym, inside of the gym. We got William over there selling Tahitian music. I believe he has DVDs and some books also. So make sure he gets back to that table and work, work, work. We like to call the house drummers O Maui E to the stage area, please. The house drummers O Maui E, please come to the stage area.
O Maui E, Maui E.
Once again, if we can get the house band to the stage area, O Maui E. I know Double G Design Stickers is out there. You guys can go check her out.
Once again, we'd just like to make mention of our sponsors for the Maui Polynesian Tahiti Fest 2005. I would say thank you to Printers Inc. and Wailuka Rapid Print Inc. Also Maui Ice Cubes. And also like to say thank you to our house band of Maui A for supporting today's event. And Playback Memories is the video company that's in-house. If you'd like to get a copy of the event here, they're located right outside the main entry there. You can sign up for it. and get your copy of the 2005 Maui Polynesian Tahiti Fete. To all of these people, we say mahalo and thank you very much for supporting our event this year.
Some of our food booths that we do have out there. We have Baldwin High School cheerleaders, and they have hamburgers, hot dogs, shave ice, and shortbread cookies. We have the TARD company, Elaine Needham, with cotton candy. Te Tiari Patiti Fa is selling shoyu chicken, turkey chili, banana lumpia, and musubi. Ooh, banana lumpia. Hint, hint. International dance production, that's Melen and Bobby. Oh, they got halo halo and teppanyaki.
That sounds good.
And Filipino dishes, yeah.
The gymnastics ice cream is also out there. ECBY. And CJ Patelis is also out there.
Oh, Uncle Richard
and his Hawaiian food. All
yeah.
right. We're going to see you in a little bit, Uncle Richard. Unless you let come see us.
You can come see us, Uncle Richard.
Oh, but you're not going to bring them inside. We got to go outside, you know.
We got Hatota. They got their barbecue chicken and barbecue meat out there.
Aloha chili, Bozo sushi.
Joanne Amarin.
Yeah. Also, Malala and Mia is out there too. Just some of the food booths that's out front, so you can stop by and check it out.
There's also a whole bunch of vendors, like we were saying earlier. It's a good time to start your Christmas shopping. We got Brada Man t-shirts. They got Brada shorts, infant apparel, female clothing as well. Vilikina Creations, VG Orta, Sewn Crafts. Also Maui Creations is out there. That's Leona Borge. Wakatoa, we got Maori Designs. Also Hula Rock, Island Jade, Lehulu Rivera, Double G Designs. We have Lomi Records out there. Hawaii Pono Products. Ooh, dolls of Hawaii. I hope you guys go check out those dolls. It's from Puna. Cute, you know. I go look at them. Cute.
I was looking at it earlier.
Also got Noka Oi pearls. And just to remind you guys, pearls is a beautiful thing to get as a Christmas present. as we get ready for our solo performance, our tamahine ages 3 to 4 years old. We want to say once again, huge mahalos to our house band, O Maui, under the direction of Kikipi.
Mike, just on monitors, if I can get some toere, so I can hear them. You ready?
Okay, so coming up first, we have contestant number 3. That's Cheyenne Barreto from Ariihau, Moana.
Kahai set.
Thank you, Cheyenne Barreto from Ariihau, Moana. Next, we have contestant number 5, Taylor Tagood, also from Ariihau, Moana. Thank you, Taylor. Okay, next up we have contestant number 85, Asia Heya from Tiare'ua o Tahiti. Thank you, Asia. Coming up next, we have contestant number 86, Kaylee Tabangay, also from Tiari Ura, o Tahiti.
Give them all a nice round of applause. A great job. Woo! To the Kumus, mahalo for taking the time and patience to teach the youngsters.
Wonderful, wonderful. Up next, we have the Tamahine ages 5 to 8. We have contestant number 1, and that'll be from Ariha Moana, Summer Llanos. Oh, they're all gonna, we're gonna have Tamahine ages 5 to 8. They're gonna come out and do a little parade first. There we go. Choo-hoo! Here's contestant number 1, Summer Llanos from Ariha Moana.
Contestant number 2, Katrina Furman from Teitiari Patitifa.
Also performing with her will be Pikaki Vernes, also from Teitiari Patitifa.
Hope.
Thank you, Katrina and Pikake. Up next, we have contestant 6, Tavehi Tafiti from Otuori Marama. And contestant number 7, Tishelle Kanteri from Heiva I Moana. Thank you, contestant number 6, Tavehi Tafiti and Tishelle Kanteri. Good job, girls.
Next we got Shandy Hopiao. Tiariwe Otahichi, contestant number 8. And contestant number 9, Lena Sagusio, Otuori Marama. Lena Sagusio. Thank you, young ladies. We got contestant number 10, Jasmine Melchor with Maui Nui, and Kavehi Voceros Castro with Tetiari Patiti Fa. Thank you, ladies. That was Kavehi Voceros Castro and Jasmine Melchor. Thank you very much. Coming up is contestant number 75, Casey Salcido with Heiva I Moana, and contestant 78, Kalavena Kalehaovehi from Tetiari Patiti Fa. Salcedo and Calavena, Kalihovehi. Mahalo, thank you. This ends this category, Tamahine category, ages 5 through 8, as we get prepared and get into our Tamaroa, ages 5 through 8. We have contestant number 12, Shay Johnson Eugenio from Heiva I Moana, and Shandon Johnson Eugenio also for the Heiva I Moana.
Let's go, let's go.
Thank you, Shay Johnson and Shannon Johnson Eugenio of the Heiva I Moana. Tamaroa ages 5 through 8. Thus far, all our contestants did a fantastic job as we get ready to go into the Tamahine ages 9 through 12 as we continue on this morning.
Why don't we give the kids another round of applause? That takes a lot. That takes a lot. Not only for the keiki, for the parents and the kumus too. Good job.
Again, we'd like to say thank you to all the folks that's helping backstage, getting the competitors ready to get on stage here, and clearing the back area once they're done. So thank you to all those folks working backstage to make it happen.
Everybody can stand up for a second, take a little breather. We have a long day of events going on. Just kind of stretch, move the lemo a little bit. And once again, huge mahalos, I gotta say, to our sponsors for the event. The Marriott Luau, Maui's hottest show. As well as Printers Inc. and Wailuku Rapid Print Inc. and Maui Ice Cubes. Thank you for sponsoring the Maui Polynesian Tahiti Fete 2005. want to once again remind you guys that you can get video footage from Playback Memories. Sign up for their soon-to-be 2005 Heiva I Maui DVD. You can sign on an outside entrance. For they are filming today, so when you guys see the cameras on you, smile. Coming out, we have the Tamahine, ages 9 to 12, as they parade in front of the judges. Our first two performers, we have the contestant number 14, Kristen Watanabe from Atoy Marama, and contestant number 15, Shai Amion from Tiare Ura o Tahiti. Thank you, Kristen and Shai. Good job, ladies.
Coming up next is contestants 16 and 17. 16 is Kelsey Chinen from Tui Marama, and 17 Chelsea Clement from Manutahi. Contestants 16 and 17. Kelsey and Chelsea, thank you very much, ladies. Again, we need to recognize the instructors for these contestants and competitors today. I want to say thank you to all of them for doing such a great job of preparing the youngsters for doing these dance for this competition today. So mahalo. Thank you very much.
How about a round of applause for our house band, O Mauri. Looking cool with their hats, yeah. Up next, we have contestant number 18, Nanea Wainwright from Otue Marama. And contestant number 19, Shayna Soma from Tiariua, o Tahiti. Thank you, Nanea and Shayna. That's contestants number 18 and 19. Nanea Wainwright from Otue Marama and Shayna Soma from Tiariura o Tahiti. Good job, girls.
Coming up is contestants 20 and 21. Aoshe Tanimoto of Otoi Marama. And 21, Keala Higgins, Ari Haumoana. nice round of applause as El Shea Tanimoto for Toi Marama and Kiala Higgins for Ihau Moana. Thank you, ladies. Job well done.
Judges, are you ready? Coming up, we have contestant 22, Napua Doctor from Atori Marama, and contestant 23, Shanalyn Rapoli from Tiare Ura o Tahiti. job, girls. It's contestant number 22, Napua Doctor from Atori Marama, and Shanalyn Rapoli from Tiare Uro, Tahiti, contestant number 23. And we want to say huge mahalos to our judges. We want to make sure that they are ready between performances because we want to make sure that each contestant is judged fairly, okay? And that takes a lot to do. It's a good eye that you need to be doing to be a judge up there. Judges, are you ready?
Coming up next is contestant 24, Kiana Kamala of Atoi Marama, and contestant 25, Charmaine Pulido, Te Tiare Pati Tifa. Thank you, ladies. It's Kiana Kamala of Atoe Marama and also Charmaine Pulido of Te Tiari Pati Fa. Thank you very much, ladies.
Good job, girls. We'd like to once again say a huge mahalo to all of the volunteers volunteering this year for the 2005 Heiva I Maui. And also remind you once again, if you do want to get a videotape or a DVD of the footage happening today or this weekend, you can see the booth outside by the entrance, Playback Memories. They're doing a video footage for this year's fete. Okay, judges, are you ready? Okay. Coming up, we have contestant number 26, Jenilyn Kawakami from Ari'i Hau Moana. And Kelsey Wright from Tiari Ura o Tahiti is contestant number 27.
Contestant 26, Janelyn Kawakami, and 27, Kelsey Wright. Thank you, girls. Great job. Coming up next is contestant number 28, Dancia Maria Matilano of Ari'i Hau Moana, and Konakai Wilson of Urahutia Productions. Contestant number 28, Dancia Marie Martilano of Tetearu Tatiki, and also Konakai Wilson of Urahutia Productions. Thank you, girls. Did a fantastic job.
Good job, girls. Good job. As we prepare for our next two contestants, we ask the judges, are you ready? We have contestant number 30, Mokihana Kawauchi from Heiva I Moana. And contestant number 31, Savannah Okosiba from Tiariura o Tahiti. Thank you, Mokihana and Savannah. Good job, girls. Hoocha! For those of you heading outside, be sure to check out the wonderful vendors that we have out there. They have some beautiful crafts that they're selling this year, as well as the food booths. Go check them out. We just got a note here, a gray four-door Chevrolet MMW 838 is the license plate number. A gray four-door Chevrolet. It's behind the gym, and it's double parked and blocking the emergency vehicle entrance. Please remove the vehicle immediately, or it will be removed for you. So it's a gray four-door Chevrolet, license plate number MMW 838, right behind the gym, double parked and blocking the emergency vehicle access.
Move your car now, or you're not going to have something to go back to when you get out there. We're moving right along. We got contestants number 32, Sherry Make Kau of Heiva I Maui, and contestant 67, Illinois Kahai, Tavanui. Contestant number 32, Sherry Make Kau of Heiva I Maui, and number 67, Illinois Kahai of Tavanui. Thank you, girls. Did a fantastic job.
Okay, we're going to have our last three tamahine perform together. This is the tamahine ages 9 to 12. They're ready? Okay. We have contestant number 79, Dana Marie Cordero from Heiva I Maui, as well as contestant number 80, Shikara Fitzsimmons from Heiva I Maui, and from Tetiari Patitifa, Armanda Pachor Marisco, contestant number 81. And that concludes the Tamahini ages 9 through 12. Thank you, Dana Marie Cordero, Shikara Fitzsimmons, and Amanda Kachornishko from Te Tiari Patitipa. Good job, girls. Woo.
Boy, I hate to be one of those judges out there. They got a lot of people to judge in a short amount of time that we have to be here today. We're going to start our age group 9 to 12 on Tamaroa. We start off with contestant number 33, J.D. Melkor from Maui Nui, and contestant 34, C.J. Barreto from Heiva I Maui August. Nice round of applause. Contestant 33, J.D. Melkor, Maui Nui. And contestant 34, C.J. Barreto, Heiva I Maui. Thank you, gentlemen. A job well done. Fantastic.
Yeah. Up next, we have contestant number 35, Pono Thompson from Te Tiari Patitifa. And contestant number 36, Alika Guerrero from Ari'i Haumoana.
Woo!
Good job, boys. That's Pono Thompson from Tetiari Patitifa. Contestant number 35 and number 36, Alika Guerrero at Ihao Moana.
That concludes our Tamuro ages 9 to 12. We get ready for the Wahine 13 to 17.
As we have them parade out in front of the judges. Okay. We have our Wahine 13 to 17. Coming up, we have contestant number 37, Miloli'i Dagupan from Tetiari Patitifa, and contestant number 38, Kamaile Barreto from Ihao Moana. Once again, contestant number 37, Miloli'i Dagupan from Tetiari Patitifa. And contestant number 38, Kamaile Barreto from Ihao Moana. Good job, girls.
Before we get into our next two contestants here, again, we have an announcement here. This is the last call. We have two vehicles that's blocking the back here. License plate is MM like in Mike W862. It's a gray SUV Buick. And also MMX, Mike X-ray 405, a blue gray Honda Element. You're both blocking the vehicle access lanes and emergency access. and it's going to be towed in just a few minutes. So if anybody knows, they might be outside. If you know of anybody that owns a vehicle, tell them move them, or it's going to be moved